Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to manage products. Hover over the Products tab and select All Products. In this screen, you'll be able to create new products or edit existing ones. You can search for a product and also filter your results using the drop-down menus for supplier, subcategory, and taxable. To adjust an existing product, click the Edit button on the right-hand side. However, let's click New Product in the top right corner to begin. At the top of the screen, you'll see options for tracked and not tracked. By selecting tracked, the system will create a purchase order for the product. This allows you to record the supplier invoice details when receiving the product. If you choose not tracked, a purchase order won't be created and stock levels for the product won't be recorded. Please note, if the product you're adding is a tyre, be sure to select the Product is a tyre option. This will open additional fields for entering tyre-specific information like brand, width, ratio, EU ratings, and more. Let's start by entering a product number, a product description, and selecting a supplier from the drop-down list. You can also enter an ordering product number if it differs from the actual part number, and add a custom description if needed. Now choose a subcategory from the drop-down list that best fits the product. This will automatically assign the correct nominal and tax codes to the product. Keep in mind, this is especially important when products are set up as tracked. Next, enter the cost price and choose whether to apply a markup percentage. Alternatively, you can simply type in a sale price directly, bypassing the markup calculation. The EN field allows you to record the 13-digit European article number if you need it. The cross-reference field can be used to store the OE or OEM number, helping you locate the product from other suppliers. Because we've already selected a subcategory, the fields for sales nominal code, sales tax code, purchase nominal code, and purchase tax code will be automatically populated. Make sure taxable is ticked if VAT needs to be applied when adding the product to a job. Also, ensure enabled is ticked so the product is active and usable. If you need to sell in decimal quantities, for example oils or fluids, enable allow decimal quantities. Ticking use average cost means the system will update the cost price of the product based on values entered in received purchase orders. You can also enable add to every job/estimate, which will automatically include this product in every new job or estimate created. Similarly, add to every tyre on job/estimate will include the product each time a tyre is added to a job or estimate. Finally, if the product has a surcharge, you'll be able to record the surcharge part number and surcharge amount here. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.